Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the SPX, and this is a daily close. Of course, we're gonna see as well the Nasdaq on the 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, to see what happened and what it might happen in the next week, since of course this is a Friday and we are in the market close very soon. So today we saw some red, well expected, as we said yesterday. We have an ABC almost done, finished. We have a formation of 1, 2, and we're looking for a wave 3. So nothing surprising for us for the SPX. We already yesterday talked about it. We have an impulse toward the downside. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, on the SPX, we are still looking for a wave 4 and a 5 because, yeah, potentially the wave 3 not totally finished, I would say. We're going to dive a little bit deeper on the 15-minute chart here to see what to expect. So on the 15-minute chart, let's see, we have, okay, impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. Yeah, so yeah, basically the wave 2 is very shallow here. This is your wave 4, but yeah, your wave 2 has to reflect here. Yeah, so we need, of course, a little bit rebound for a wave 4 and then looking for a wave 5 after it. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for basically. Still, what's gonna happen in a bigger view? Yeah, so okay, we know that we are impulsive. We're gonna finish an impulse here. Now we have a blue box here. What is that, a blue box? So let's move a little bit bigger. We are, of course, in a 1, 2, 3. We're looking at a potential 4. Yeah, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, wave 3. And then you're looking for A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y. Much higher potential on the SPX. We are, yeah, basically you can be in a 1, 2. Since you have an impulse 1, 2, and you're looking for another 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm not sure this is can be a wave 4. Well, yeah, it's not really, guys, not really, because yeah, if this is our wave 1, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, meaning 1, 2, 3. Your wave 4 invalidated already. I don't know why I still have anyways this wave 1, so I'm gonna remove it. It's, yeah, I was still looking in case, of course, if something else is gonna unfold. But anyway, let's keep it. Let's keep it because anyway, that's why I have the ABC, right? That's why we have the ABC, and that because of course we are suspicious about this impulse, and that's why I always keep both case scenarios anyway. Yeah, anyway, I always keep it because if something not clear, you know, the chart is not clear always, so especially here, so basically I'm gonna keep it. So we have also A, B, and a C potentially as a zigzag. We're looking to another ABC. We're looking therefore for an impulse towards the downside, meaning 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The same scenario is gonna be, of course, in case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Basically, this wave 4 has to unfold a wave 5 as well. And if we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, therefore, this might be, okay, we have to be careful. This might be the wave 5, and that's why I always keep it, because what if we retrace from here? Yeah? What if this is 5 ways toward the downside? And then we retrace toward the upside. Yeah? So nobody knows. So let's keep it, of course. In case we retrace from here and we see, of course, a rebound towards the upside impulsive, like this, breaking the high again, yeah, we have to take it 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished. Yeah, so we have to, of course, keep it in mind. So in case we are moving for lower here, for another A, B, and a C, you're looking, of course, for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning you would like to see 3 waves towards the upside, continuation for lower here. But we have to be careful. If we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, this wave 5 might be, of course, hitting one of those fib in an expanding flat, right? And turning it into running flat and moving toward the upside. That's why it is very important to keep as well this count, even if it is choppy a little bit in the middle here. I'm gonna keep it because of course it can be possible that we still hit this blue box and move for higher in 5 waves. Don't forget, a running flat is of course three-wave structure, another three-wave structure as well, and 5-wave structure, but those 5-wave structures will fail to take the low, right? And this is a running flat, meaning reversal of the market. And if this happens, well, what scenario can we take in this case? There is no other scenario there than an impulse finished, yeah, and then moving for higher. You cannot take it WXY. Your wave Y might be, of course, very short in comparison with your W, yeah, and also the zigzag, the same. Zigzag has to be a very wide impulse, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or finished impulse and moving towards the upside. That was it for the SPX. So moving to Nasdaq today, of course, Nasdaq, we know already in Nasdaq we are in WXY, and that because we have an impulse here, very nice for a wave 1, 2, and then you start with a double 2, 1, 2 here. You got a wave 3 and then wave 4 invalidation. I cannot count an impulse at all. Now S&P looks a little bit suspicious. It can be double like 1, 2, 3, but not for Nasdaq. In Nasdaq we have WXY, another 3 waves toward the upside, finish as yesterday we said, and in the morning we already know that we are in an impulse toward the downside and we're looking for a massive drop. But today what happened is very, very weird in this area. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the morning I said, okay, we are in 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 and potentially wave 5, that it can be an ending diagonal, but actually the wave 5, the ending diagonal, has transformed to a 1, 2. How much crazy is that? And of course it can be a triple 1, 2, yeah, but also looks like ending or leading diagonal. It has transformed to leading diagonal. This is insane. But I don't know what was exactly the news, which one of them, which bad news was it today that it has unfolded this. It was, I was like also very busy in other markets, but that's crazy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 3. You have, of course, here an A, B, and a C. Why I don't see a wave 5 here? You'll tell me, your count is wrong. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What is the 5 here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, you will say ending diagonal. Wave 5 longer than wave 3 invalidation. 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation of impulse. So you cannot end up here with a wave 5. Therefore, you are obliged here to have a wave 4 as, of course, expanding flat. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing a leading diagonal. And then wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Crazy, yeah. I mean, I counted this in the morning, and I looked today at Nasdaq like, this is the wave 3, and I tried so hard to bring a wave 3 here. I couldn't in this area. You could not get a wave 3 here, unless if you will call this like this, where you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Like this is your wave 4. But even here, you don't see an impulse. Yeah, in this one. It looks like even like 3 waves. Yeah, so very choppy wave here. Starting from this area, let's say A, B, and a C therefore. A as an expanding flat, B as a zigzag, and wave C as an impulse. You don't have any other choice. So even if your wave 3 is here, yeah, so yep, so these are the scenarios. It is a very extended wave 5. And you don't want to see the fibs, guys. You don't want to see the fibs because it's scary. It is scary. So the fibs taken from the 1, 2 here is scary. Okay, so it has broken all the fibs. And look, I have a rule in Elliott wave. When you see something like this, okay, how do you know that the market is in a panic and in a big crisis, I would say, in a recession? We have overshooted the 2.618, and I believe even the 4 has been overshooted. Yeah, here we go. So we have overshooted the 4.618 even fib level just by this wave 3, which is supposed to be your wave 1. Yeah, but whatever. It is your wave 3. And then your wave 5 went like a huge move towards the downside, even bigger than your wave 3. When this happened, in my perspective, when this happened, it is of course that the market is in panic. But even if the market is in panic, the rules of Elliott wave has to be respected. Even what we're looking here, okay, still okay, at the end you have to follow the rules, and you see that this is a wave 5 at the end. And if this means, okay, the guidelines are broken, like the fib levels are broken, okay, this is a crisis. You cannot prevent it, guys. Okay, so we are in a panic, and we're looking for definitely a 1-to-1 fib level. Yeah, so we saw this, of course, several times happening in this area, right, in this drop down. And yeah, so it is repeating right now, and it's gonna get bigger. Yeah, it's gonna get bigger on Monday. It's not good at all. Yep, so that was it for Nasdaq, guys. I cannot say, I mean, even Elliott wave will not add anything. We know that we are dropping down. Yeah, so Nasdaq says, of course, that we're moving really down to the 1-to-1 fib level 17, while SPX, okay, still suspicious about a 1-2 as we saw here. But even I'm not convinced about it. I see it more as a zigzag ABC. Yeah, in this area there is no 1, 2, 3. That is more A, B, and a C, and you're looking for a correction here. You're looking for a wave C toward the downside as well. Yeah, so expect on Monday both move for lower. That was it for SPX and Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow is a live stream as well for some stocks analysis, live analysis, and special requests. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.